Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make chutney using these green tomatoes. The chutney is really very delicious, tangy and nice, and it stays good in the refrigerator for a few days because we don't add coconut to it. I add sesame seeds which also give a lovely flavor to this chutney. And there's another version also which you can make with coconut, but that doesn't stay good. You have to finish it up the same day. So today let us make the version without the addition of coconut. So shall we proceed?
Green tomato chutney. It's spicy, tangy and flavorful. You can serve it with your snacks or as an accompaniment with breakfast dishes or main thali meals. It can be paired very well with puris and parathas also. This delicious chutney has lot of health benefits too. So friends, do make and enjoy this chutney. It's a treat for tangy food lovers. Ingredients for green tomato chutney. I've taken 4 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, half cup of coriander leaves, 2 to 3 green chillies, 1 small piece of ginger. We are going to peel it and cut it into pieces, salt to taste, small piece of tamarind and 2 pinches of Asafoetida. The ingredients list is also shared in the description box. Check it out. First, wash the tomatoes very well and cut them into pieces. Now these green tomatoes have lot of health benefits. It's really good to consume them in some form or the other. They contain carbohydrates, fiber, protein and vitamin C. They also help in controlling cholesterol and preventing cancer. They are also good for skin and prevent premature aging. So many health benefits. So we should try to add them to our diet. We can make chutneys, variety of chutneys, sweet, savory, to serve with parathas, rotis. We can make curry also. We can be innovative and add them in many ways. So this is done. Now friends, to slide the vegetables, always use the blunt size of the knife. This is a tip. Remove them into a bowl. Now cut the green chilies also, discarding the stalks. The chili level can be adjusted according to your liking. Peel the ginger. Cut it into smaller pieces so that it's cooked easily. You can put them in the same bowl as they are going to be cooked together. Now this is done. Let's first begin with dry roasting the sesame seeds. Do this on medium flame, taking care that they don't burn too much. As soon as they get light brown color and you get a nice aroma, it is done. Remove them into a plate. Now in the same pan, heat the oil. Add the Asafoetida first. Let the flavors get infused into the oil, then add the tamarind. Let it become little soft in the hot oil. Then dip in the tomatoes and the ginger green chilies. Saute them. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring them from time to time. Add the salt. Give it a nice mix. Now cover the pan and on medium heat let them cook. You see now the color is changed a bit. Place the lid again and cook them further. Check with a knife if they are soft. In about 3 to 4 minutes they should be soft. Now add the roasted sesame seeds and the coriander. After adding these two, just mix them with a spatula. Do not overcook them. Now switch off the flame and let this mixture cool. Once it is cooled, transfer it into a grinding jar. This chutney is really very flavorful with the fragrance of coriander leaves and the roasted sesame seeds. Tanginess from the tomatoes and the tamarind. Grind it. This is how the texture should be. Lovely. Transfer it into a serving bowl. So the chutney is ready for you. This stays good in the refrigerator for a few days. Here we go. So friends, make and enjoy this chutney for a change sometimes. Instead of mint coriander chutney, you can serve this with the snacks. Also check out the green tomato curry that I have posted. I'm sharing the link in the description box. Happy cooking and stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.